what it takes, y'all. Yeah, man, you take what you take and you go do what you do. You know what I mean? Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. Welcome back. You see, if it's the first time you're watching this channel, give thanks for the support. With the 100k, so let's celebrate. Yeah, man, 100k and still counting. Let's push it up. You know what I mean? Burn it down to the ground. Yesterday, a movie, 15 and Pregnant, part 4. You know what I mean? So leave in the comments if you don't want more. You know what I mean? So, we're not to talk about the intro, but we do it especially for Uno. A lot of hard work. You know what I mean? I try to get it done. Glory be to the Most High. Watch a movie. Leave a comment. So.
Yeah, I remember what old people used to say. Don't fall off again. Don't fall off again. I remember what old people used to say. Don't fall off again. Don't fall off again. Me want you better listen. You better listen. Listen, God, damn, I find you missing. Friend, and tell you when them act. And any tick off the clock. When time catch up on them and them get shot, they ain't coming back. Some of them friends are better than the enemy. Check them energy, and that's just one scenario. But life ain't no game, and ain't no merry-go-round. So don't fall off again. Don't fall off again. I remember when old people used to say to me, don't fall off again. Don't fall off again. I learned the hard way. It's the best performance of my life. Feel like I was rocking on Broadway. I learned the hard way. 3 years beyond bars. 3 years beyond bars. And the war in there, and I got a few scars. But when I touch back road, my girlfriend changed the code. She have a child with my friend who set me up in the beginning to get my girl in the end. Then he replayed to me what old people used to say. Don't fall off again. Don't fall off again. Don't fall off again. Yeah, we got to stick to family. Now have to be blood related, but a family, no friend to me. Now don't fall off again. You don't fall off again. You have to be a family. Have to be the family. Nah. I learned the hard way. I learned the hard way. Don't fall off again. Don't fall off again. Yeah.
Hello?
How going?
My dad would?
I'm there, man.
Right there.
I'm there on the road.
So, you know, so one night when I did for pick, what make I run off?
I'm not really say run off, you know. There's so many good things me there for you.
I run so fast and temple like me eye. But I'm still over your mother yard. And she do me here.
I know my mother there here.
I wouldn't.
I'm give her money for there here. So.
Oh. So when me ask you, can we talk?
I'm so country, man.
When?
Sometime in the day, I tomorrow about me.
No, come today, the day, yeah.
Meeting about it. As soon as we done in the country, can.
Alright, me I eat. You eat for morning?
I consume something, man.
Alright. Can food come when you come?
You know, say you eat a while ago, you want food.
I'm hungry, tell you. I not eat for myself, I eat for me and the baby.
Alright, go and feed your face.
Okay. Okay.
Alier!
Who is it?
Kayla friend.
Kayla, dear friend.
Kayla there.
Kayla is not here.
Me Kayla not there here. Kayla there. Kayla mother.
Kayla don't live here anymore.
So Kayla never come back home.
No. I don't know where I come from.
What kind of mother you be? You don't know your underage pregnant daughter there?
I mean, this and if she the underage, she would have breed. I
Remember?
don't want nobody close to
Listen to me, miss. It's your daughter. If it's groomer, she pregnant already, you can't know about it. Don't.
And I your friend, you shouldn't tell him when to take man for when not to take
I
man.
can't tell her that.
Come out of my yard.
Me can't tell her that because what, me is not her mommy, I'm just a friend. You are she mother, you from know say you sit down with your daughter and talk to your daughter about certain things.
You think I'll give me that chat, me chat and a little girl decides that she want man? So when she got take man and man, give her what she
Better
forget?
beat her, she younger, she would stay so right now, I can't manage her.
Aye.
Where little girl be?
Hey, she not there, she not live here. You deaf? Come out of my
I go
yard.
find her, I want to talk to her.
Go for the street, or go down her godmother.
What mother this?
You really want this with patient in idea, right? Me tell you, come out of my
Me
yard.
never suffer ask for Kayla, me never come to no beef with you.
And me say, Kayla not there, so we have to come out of me yard.
Now come back. Have a nice day, woman.
And then I can't see type of friend with Kayla power with make him go breed. Then I always show me a friend and I tell her who you are.
So your mother say you live there no more?
I don't live there, my man get me
Sorry, I don't know your mother now.
Yes.
Your mother just put on a piece of meat over there.
My
What your mother to have?
my mother everybody cause she does alright, but me don't know long talking. Cause son too hot and me hungry.
So, when they are still now, we go check you later.
No, but me I'll go there, so just say you can't be my daughter.
Yeah, but me wait for you, 'cause I really want to talk to you.
Alright, I'm gonna talk to my mother
Alright,
first.
baby.
Alia! Mommy! Alright yourself. Oh yeah, my friend have they argue with us. Your friend come here and argue with me just because we pick you up. Oh, I got to come out. I'm really come out. No want to call my father. I said daddy they find my car, daddy fee some money. So me just you know tell him so me I'm ready now. No, me not tell him. Oh come on, tell him say my money for this stuff so SBA. Me a call, thank you. Call him. Buy no phone no. Daddy, good morning. How are you doing this morning? Yeah, me alright. Anyways, Daddy, me want to talk to you about something. Wait before you tell me what you want to tell me about. Let me tell you something first. You know, say, me ask if you could send one little money, cause right now me there, I'm hungry and mommy not happy. Me want to go to school. If you go to SBA. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? Daddy, me don't know me don't tell lie, Daddy. I lie, I tell Daddy, me not breathe. Who tell her that? Daddy, listen to me, Daddy. Actually, yes, Daddy, me have breathe. But our mommy fault. Our mommy carrying man. Daddy, our mommy. Our mommy give me all the time them to go out to man. Daddy, she go tell me breathe. See me, Daddy, hang up your phone. Me give time to go to man. Where you go tell her say me breathe? I'm make you look one way. Me give
Come
time
on,
to go to man.
I don't me a big woman now, you know.
Yeah, big woman,
no.
still a little picnic.
Anyways, beg your money, me hungry.
Beg your wish money.
Yeah, money. What kind of mother you be?
Girl, you see, just because you're my daughter and despite of everything we do, me love you. I don't care what happens to me.
Yeah, man. Go on in and give her the money, man.
I don't want nothing bad happen to you.
Yes, yeah, move too rashly. Get that money, man. Can't be someone that really go call that. I never see nobody chat so much like I think the mother.
Wait, I'm going
Chat till you can't chat no more.
listen me. I know me tell her father nothing.
Daddy say I could call him and tell him.
The teacher call her father.
Thank you.
And listen me. Don't come back to ask me for no money.
I'm
No.
gonna come back.
Don't do that, come back.
Alright, later.
You find the baby daddy?
Yes.
I believe
Come
me.
in. Listen to me. Me really and truly need that if you send some money come because right now me dey over there so me over my baby father mother yard and over there is not comfortable.
Listen me. Make your baby
Over
father find
there
some
is
pussy.
not
Listen me.
comfortable.
Me not
Over
go
there
check-
is so bad. I me need one house. I'll do what my godmother look for one rent place. It needs to me need some money right now
Listen
because
me.
over there
Your
so
baby
happy.
father must have money. Go
So
on.
why you push me from the yard? Why you push me to the yard for?
You live here?
Me used to live here.
Used to.
Me sometimes I can't there now. You even put me back up, man, and give me some money to pay rent. Let me start pay some rent, man.
Me have to make you go
Over
and
there so
fend for
nice.
yourself.
Me a sleep too bad. Me fear when the baby born I lean. Cause me have to pump up in the settee. Me can't take it no more. I mean, not even eat from morning. Life's so hard.
Me give you money, you get some weed.
I thought, which one give me money? You just give me money while I go?
Yeah, you know where to go on. Go on.
You give me money. You said I give me money.
I'm
Money!
grateful little girl.
Come on, that's son, man.
Wallahi, I'm nice.
We just get one like $2,000 from my mother. So me I go down town. Go buy meat. So me can't spend the day together. Go find an ice cream truck man. Me hungry and I want ice cream now. Him gone down Nelly and done this. Anyways. You know where you go now? Yes, so try to take taxi. Taxi! Dirty dog shit man, you see me a father done.
I beg them.
Son hot bad mama. Me a bun up on my black already. Poor me baby. What's the one coming? What is that? Come on, turn off.
Hey. Oh, walk.
No, mama, me not walk. What's the me not walk all the way down to the idiot. Alright. We have a solution.
Like you can't not come.
Come on, tap, no, flame belly, so don't flame belly, so come on. We not walk, mama. What a big bike, them come me back to the bike. Jesus, where's the big bike, come back to the bike.
Yeah, you don't want to pan bike.
What are we going to do? We are going to shot at the little old dirty Rasta man. He
Yes.
yes. Going but we don't have no money, but we are going to trick him. We don't make him know what you say you want for money. Talk like you're rich.
Yeah, man.
Can I not know you? Ever going to carry it? No. So girl, where's that?
You chat that man already.
Have you heard him? No. What else maybe I go pay him this time with full of money? Him not remember your face.
Alright, it's true, you know.
So girl, where's the guy now?
Me there, yeah. Where's about? The baby, I know. I'm the baby.
No girl, you don't want to know say the other day. Me and my baby father last night. I don't want to know say, no, night before last night. Around 3 days now, you know. I think that's 3 days now. Yeah, 3 days ago. When me look at amount of girl pop up. TT pop up like about my one man. My little one Babilisha. My one Bob. Both them about feel like, but who they feel like they have morning sickness and feel like
Who is
they
they?
breathe and stuff.
Yes, I really breathe. Yes, the Babu.
Mama, I saw me here. Mama, me didn't know, you know. She just said, but she have mind sickness to me, girl. And me and Bob only baby mother. Bob have a girlfriend, but I am the baby mama. One baby mama, not 2 baby mama. So any baby in a rear gonna come out. Me personally, I step in at that. Mama, it's true.
It's stinking on the street.
What is thinking that shit is true.
Your baby father is a little whore. Why everybody?
Take time and talk about my baby
But
father.
that's true, you don't see it for yourself.
And my baby
You're
father.
blind in a love.
You lucky at you nobody if you love you. And you
Yourself.
shot a man.
Don't worry yourself.
Cause you're looking dirty man.
Might as well me turn to myself and no boy no get to
So,
use me.
one thing man they have
Breed me, I don't want
some
me.
thing man they have your yard where they complain. One thing I'm left.
Me not even really left, but we don't really communicate like that. Think I no more long.
You do cheat on him?
No.
You
The
do?
boy not go and good.
So you cheat on him?
You cheat for him, I know. But just say come out of my house and go on him ways. Kinda in can't satisfy me in the bed.
I say girl, me a piece of jam I have to tell you too. You know, I know the dirty girl Keisha up there with cheat on him man.
That's that long time, man.
The girl give him man a piece of bun there. The whole factory.
Wait, the same man where she always give on what?
Yes. He give man bun with more than one somebody. He man thinks I want somebody, man thinks I the neighbor. But tell the neighbor alone.
You know, some say one vaccine with a pop up at the yard gate.
Mama, and a vaccine
What are them?
is an oxy.
Okay, I want it.
And a big white bike.
And she love cock out her body pan it.
Yes. And when she go on her man bike, she want to go on the man bike with her. She alone on the body
Yes.
bike. And that's why she go breed. Me say she a breed. But say she, you know. Yes. I saw me say she a breed, but she not breed again, you know. And like the dirty girl that tell her I'm breeding. You can't believe that?
Why never tell like I'm breathing now?
And that me want to know. They want them all kind of, you see me now? Me didn't want to prove a point. Now me get stuck with the point. So it's like I'm get stuck with the point now. Bob go and stuck with me, cause Bob and breed me and left me and run up and down. All over the place. Every time he run me, I run back out with the big belly. And when it's a pick me a band, he go and fast security and he go and be one warrior, cause I be a war me war.
Why with him in your belly? Don't
Yes. Cause the girl not take my man.
True. You're wrong your sister girl, keep your
I
man.
didn't want to say this dirty girl. Up and late. Girl, I'm going to mix up a guan here now. You don't know. I'm in with your life.
I let me say.
You need to go and look up like house.
I'm not about to care my house, so better me stay in my
Okay.
house.
Why don't you know when I say why dirty girl up a lane? Have our man, I have one other man, have two man one time. In car one of the man them hoodlum and one of them artists.
Hey. Lord of Jesus, you love
But
hoodlum.
him and an artist, you know, I may say like the other one business that. That one very person. I'm going to have a business I go on, girl.
You know, say like we time now follow up business.
But the
You
people
don't want everybody business in the community. I want so.
because me they go road.
How you breed us in that people business?
Hello, I mean in people
The
business.
people have enough.
And I mean in people business that come to me. Me not run up a business.
Well, me not wrong here, because I love people in business too.
Yes, I want nothing on
love
the
hearing.
business. I want nothing landlord up the road. He not tap me in front. He go on like in a name front and in name front. One could do to producer.
No, not all that then.
You might know him brown and he much shape but like a fish and say donkey.
Oh!
Yes. And
That
he have
the
one
one
woman.
That the one know the up the line.
Yeah, I mean, he say, you know, he tell them to go nowhere at night time, he want to charge them money. If they beard, they want to charge them bearding money. If they brush them teeth, want to charge them bearding money. And I bet you say, if I him that do things with the girl, them.
You don't charge them. That's why no one go up on the road either. Because at night time you want to do business with them.
Ah, yes.
So him
That's
can.
a good dirty dog, Mr. Girl. Sometimes I wonder in a life. I tell you no lie, no. Me no feel happy say me breed, you know. But sometimes me can't make nobody. If I tell them, I feel vulgar with it.
True.
Me are vulgar with it. When it's not right to breed at a young age, the one that me feel if the girl come and go and they want this me show me breed, me a this a girl and beat a girl.
Yes, of course,
I see me
sister
pick
girl,
it.
yes.
I don't know, sorry for picking this. I pick you come because
You
you
never
probably
dash
want.
your belly for your band.
Yes.
You're a pitney. Proud of your life.
This is a baby here. And a seawater, my baby make girl. My man give it to me in the seawater. You want to get a seawater? Yeah. You want to get a seawater?
Girl.
You not live the life. My man give me all both.
It's alright, soon come to me.
What's that girl?
I'm tired too.
If you tell you I'm breathing on the belly.
Well, I'm tired, I'm fat.
And the lashes them I bring down your eye. Take them off. The lashes them I bring your face to the ground. What you do?
Well, man, because I'm not disrespect for you know.
Me
Down
a
the road we are going.
Take your time, me tired man. You want to hurt me. Woo. You there about who? You want to you walk like you walk like something broke under you. Something back under you?
Yes.
Oh my girl. What a life you live. I'm gonna walk up. Tell them, ma. You walk too slow now. So you got 5 to have a Toronto.
Yes. Man, go up there.
You man give him a big extra.
Yes.
Oh my man, give me no shirt.
I don't want him.
You want the man? Me want my baby for to give me expensive shirt. If you think them good. Is that good? What they good for tea? I want to maga go. Me want to me blood to go. Me jump on my back. Come on.
You know what I'm going
I fucking hear it too. Hello, no walk left me a breathe.
I can walk up and know me walk past the other.
You can just stop and chat to people that can't want to buy ice cream.
You can get one free ice cream man chair. You reach finally. I can't really not come.
You blind?
And then.
Keep the money in the kitchen.
Rasta.
Rasta in there, so? I'm left arm. You have to come in that side already. So, your shot them. Rasta! Wagwan!
Wagwan.
You know, say that shot that we are shot if you go downtown.
We get a taxi. I'm not going to get the money.
When we reach, you get the money, so tell we have the money live.
No, listen.
I'm sure I'll peek
The
at the money.
last time.
I'm sure I'll peek at the money.
The last time.
See money, you know, me have money, you know, this side, so I'll peek at the money.
So,
you know.
anybody join the papa after money they done?
Yes.
Right,
She want to peek at the money.
We ready cards like
At 10,000, me have and she have 10.
No, we not no big charge start to find because your godmother tell me, say, you not want no money. So we not take no big charge.
My, something give me money. Father send money from foreign. You know, my father have big jobs deal already, you know. Can't talk to me and money. So come now, fire, come now. Key 9 car, got me a plan for me. She said we should come to you. If I'm just going to run after the car, I should run after the car. Hurry up, my man.
Hello.
I told me on the lights, so maybe never go in the car.
Hurry me.
Hello,
You
you're
not
gonna come. I don't want my baby catch up flu. Come on, I told me not know if you drive. Come on, you just key in that car and wind up in the halfway. I told me not know what we just key down. Put it on the lights. They put it in the night phone. Put it car. Hey.
Mango pan a tree, I look like it's soon ready. Soon cancel on the mango.
No. We can't
I'm
give
going
him
for the baby.
Yeah. I feel like say, my gum tear off in my mouth.
Are we there? How you rubber gum pan so?
We don't know, he doesn't
You are young to girl, I don't know where you rub the gum pan. Be rub off.
When you got me a play, use my tongue and play with it, me feel it flick over. But it's still attached. I real something, man. I soon check pan and make good on at all. I don't turn up on. So I go on. How you on the charter and the work I do?
Well, it's all good, you know. The only 1 and 2 bad experience is with you and a few different people. But you is the biggest one. But anyway, your godmother pay for it. So I realize that anytime you get yourself in a trouble, alright.
I thought it's a tiger something around the back or something.
You move over there?
No, for when I am.
You move over there?
Yeah, let's share one.
Yeah, but anyway, taking me like you know no parents, you know. Because any day you can't pay it, no parents got to pay.
Watch the black box because I don't want the got to play your white car.
Mama, when I go out in the road, I say no, me focus, you know. Put on my seatbelt because you chat me out like you want and give me one ticket.
I don't think you want a ticket.
And the ticket done if you go painted. Already ready.
I see a ticket, sister girl.
Listen, you know you want to hear a boy while you up the road.
Which one?
Tuggy.
Yeah.
I hear say police run him down this man.
A lie. Where am I run from police? Sir?
Him bike alive, huh? Me say him and him 3 women them dey on the bike.
Him one with 3 women, but him a go and better down woman Bob, because Bob have 3 women but he not carry them one time. Him a carry him 3 women them one time on one bike.
3 women them agree with it, me don't agree with it, me don't want to share Bob. Bob is mine alone.
So what your friend think about that? Your friend don't want piece of Bob too?
No, man. You know what I'm man.
Me matter?
Yeah.
No, Bob is not my type.
Now try to count this man, but it's not your type, you know. No, that's the problem. problem with you now? A Bob no want you. And my man, your bride, because my man no want you.
Oh, you so sure Bob now look me?
Bob now look you, Bob wants to let you see your man and Franny girl. If you start with me like that, I'm going to go over here for that decent peace rate. Don't talk about the man. Make me man that. Bob want, a Bob no want you. You're too cranny.
Oh, God.
Bob want me.
Alright.
Big baby darling. You sweet baby mama.
We see that.
So you're 15
Uh-huh.
and you're pregnant.
Yes.
So when me see you, you're 17, you go pregnant still?
No?
After chapter 1, you go again.
If Bob wants one more.
Alright.
What Bob wants, Bob get.
Alright, so.
And the water me make my baby in. Some people now make them baby in the water.
So that means that the baby go become a fish.
Oh, can't swim.
Hey, look up. Hey, Rasta boy, don't come pick no fish.
No, miss, you say baby born in the water, so me say if I'm a fish.
No.
That you say,
He no born in water. He get milk in water.
mine I want octopus breed here, you know.
I don't know. After last time, my man
No, me no
octopus.
know.
Hello.
I want merman.
Yes, for me octopus, man. I truly no want to.
Girl.
Bob is my darling baby. Me want to go to the big party where they come up, you know, Mayday.
But we not going now.
Me chop.
Can me have one nice little pretty girl if you go pick up, you know. So more drop off on.
One funky so like you could have nice with the
No man, I work man, but just if
Oh,
you
can't pay.
if you have them pretty girl in your car, it turn up the volume for your car. But you can't be ugly people on a daily basis, the car look ugly.
She
You know
told
it
me
go.
pretty, the car well pretty. Me very pretty.
Right.
Me pretty, so me can't pretty no more.
I see how it chip. I want chip, I see in your car, you eat it.
Yes.
God, me know, so me tell him mad smelly if you not put in it. Tell him if you not put in it.
I'm not smelly chip.
Yeah, but eat it still, you cannot do you. Cannot eat you. Cannot eat baby.
It was damn craven.
But how you not see heart no leap? You never see mad smelly clean out in batting the finger and I'm chip. You never see. You never see. If you not see, you can't do
I
nothing.
love your belly. You don't have anything.
So you move like a Zachariah said. You put chip in there, you and
But they look sensible. Me think I fear for somebody.
No man, that's not like chip. I'm in a driver under so. Anyway, give me the money also. It's over there me I go with you. You no give me the money also.
Hello.
It's a straight over the station and me I go.
This is not the
Meat shop.
the meat shop. This is the
See
police station.
Yes, so me can tell you say. Over there.
Alright. Hello, we're going to
We got, whoa, we got, hey, it's not like yesterday.
You go on. I won't, because of the baby me make you go on. Your godmother go pay for it and you charge her more than one. And jump down there, don't keep that shit, yo.
The baby feel like it a come. Hurry up, girl. The baby gonna be one track star.
You can run it again.
What Come on. You don't get back from the man. Let's go. We clean up paper with it.
So you know say you shall carry the what?
Come on, me done carry this already. We can't manage that.
Alright. Hey. Come here, son, quick, girl. Turn up the phone. Can up there, so. Let me just a lie. What me do? You know, come over me and come tell me about my daughter out the road that disgrace me the other day. Why you so lie? I make me run out my daughter.
You never know say that run her out.
So why you see my daughter not tell lie for my daughter?
As she first had trouble
Over
me.
what? Where you tell lie for her for?
Cause she had trouble about Bob and fight me off.
Kayla pregnant. Which part of Kayla can fight you big back? Which part of Kayla can fight you? Me I talk to you.
You
where
go pick up for your daughter, you know, because of your daughter.
You come over there, go and tell lie for her. What you expect?
And she see me on the road and they war me for man. So me decide to make a plot against her and tell lie on her. You wrong me?
Yeah, bigger one down.
Yes.
And you war Kayla over man. You don't have sense, girl. You don't have sense. Wait till me see your
Me
mother.
gonna tell me mother.
What she gonna do about it? Come go down. Come go down. Go on. Come here. One more. Lie. You for liar.
You had for me or something?
You just can't stand there. My stomach get sick.
You need an Andrews. You need to get an Andrews. I don't know what you have against you, Kayla. What you have against you?
You don't know if you lock your front or that me have against you. You love views and I need your food too much.
Who have something to show?
No.
How was she turn up and start look so? You know, I never start up on me, you know.
Big back girl. Can the big back girl. Tom and Jerry. You have big girl at Tom and Jerry. I want to take people man at Tom and Jerry. Around with the big back girl.
That's all you do. I'm full amount.
Are you full of mouth?
Me full amount.
Are you talk over there, so? I'm talk right there, so.
Yeah, we are some
Okay,
energy.
you know what about the money?
You know, see?
I mean about tools. You know see? Bob there tools, not that so bad one off.
How many boy choose?
In it touch you?
Full of
I
cover.
mean they have Bob mother yard, where you there? I mean I'm Bob sleep last time, where you there?
Yahoo! Sleep last night.
Help me, me have Bob. Why?
Leave me on it. Hey! But tell me, son, I got hospital. What's she have already? You say me done with that girl. Let's say you never see me and trouble me again.
Me ready.
No, she pregnant. She pregnant. She pregnant. Maybe she pregnant before time. Come.
No more.
You've touched the man. Come on. Get up. Come. Come see me up. I'm messing with you. I'm here to warn your mama about you now.
No more now. No more, let me see how big the man push.
You come here. I'm here that one.
Let me see how big the man. Talk to me, dirty girl, Mona.
Let's say you never see me around with me again. Me I like where left me sleep. You have to tell Farah and Warren again. Watch me and you. Let's see what you have baby before time.
you text on the phone?
What kind of style that?
I want to know who you text.
One of my friends.
Who you text on the phone?
Mommy, one of my friends are wrong with you.
Okay. I hope say, I know you dirty boy you texting me.
Which dirty
As
boy?
here you make some talk. Like say your boy in a business, make sure say you him not there. You understand? Make sure say you him not there and my goddaughter there somewhere. I stay. And I go look for her now. And I don't want hear say you and that boy in anything and make sure you not bring him in my place. You understand?
Mommy, you paranoid or something?
Yeah, me paranoid.
You come
Me
and
paranoid
say
if you tell you the truth, still not there with crosses. Yeah, me did low. But make sure say you're not there with that idiot there. And so we see who paranoid or the low them the time there. Here are overprotective. Look here. Don't play with me. So me go up on the road. And when me come back, make sure say all them look how you scared. Look how big old girl like you. And me providing her so. From morning then and right here so I know you can't move it. Me if you go work and buy food and come give you eat and you just leave the place to look at. I must see rain out far and make you spread the bed. You think you're easy? You think you're easy? All the your mind is
Mommy, I'm miserable, you know?
I feel miserable in the time I hear you.
Oh, man. You come here and you're hot for me or
It's
something.
2025. You go get miserable when you see a chat to idiot. You understand? So, you go
So when Kayla they chat to the idiot and what's the problem?
don't worry about Kayla. Kayla is my goddaughter and your god sister. I mean, when you put your mouth on your god sister, you and her must live loving.
I bet you this one me and got one Kayla. Because every day out of your mouth at Kayla, me can't get a break from Kayla. No
So,
man.
hold on, you and Kayla in a things? You and her in a beef?
Mommy, just one for
Say if you and Kayla in
me
a
and
beef.
Kayla don't have no beef.
Anyway.
What we have?
So, come back and go look for Kayla. Or maybe she a hungry.
Kayla, this Kayla.
And another thing. Oh, if I'm in the call, I don't answer. Give me your phone. Listen to me now. Another thing me have to say to you. You see that boy? Me I talk to the boy and the boy disrespect me. The boy tell me how me steer and how me turn. How me a this and me and that. And if you want there with a little dirty idiot boy like that, where you disrespect your mother, that's your business. Hold the phone. I mean, know you're mad out in here. Take a one phone. See I'm top show. Boy disrespect Kayla and disrespect all uno behind no back.
Disrespect me.
But you don't know. You don't know. You don't know.
Mommy, you see because you don't like you boy, you dey tell lie on him.
So,
Every day you just come with the same thing over and over again.
I like that.
Right now, me say, if me didn't reach your age, man, me go look and work and just move out of your place. Because me can't bother with this no more.
Why you don't do it and make me take my goddaughter in here because she don't know where to go. And that you have to do. Since as you feel so hype. And then, alright. Why you have to wait until you get a work? To move out of my place. The same dirty butter football when I tell you the way you kill up yourself over. He don't have nowhere to put you. You see your work list? I take up work list, man. Watch you. I go about my business.
Hello?
Bob,
Yeah.
you know so many need to talk to you, do which part you there?
You know, me on the road and mama, you may just think about it and say to God.
Really?
Yeah, you may shoes and all of them things there. You see me some there and think about it. And me say, yeah, call me, I tell you, me start smile. See you.
Alright, here what? We can't talk to you over phone. I want to see in person to talk to you. So
where there?
me there me yard.
Alright, I
So
come.
my mother just gone from the road to hurry up and come, because I not even know what time she come back. Hurry up.
Alright, I come check it. Right.
Alright.
Who that?
I'm in here.
Hello. Come here.
Oh,
What happened the other night?
what you talking about?
Bob, stop take me for idiot. What happened the other night? Oh, you run left me.
Mama.
You yourself you pick one and me think you're gonna pick me.
I
You
use
just
the
run.
shoes. Are you
But Bob, that was the perfect time, you know. You did have a perfect time for sure. It took girl, the pregnant one and little maga flimsy one, you know. Say I'm me a love and I'm me a choose, you know.
Yes, son, you my love.
Hey, you know say I take me for idiot, Bob.
They don't know say you my love, but are you my love and are you my true?
Me want the girl them know, you mean they not have to know. They have to know.
They soon know.
When?
Choose, mama.
Now tell me no
Are you
foolishness.
Are you my choose, man? Are you my choose? Me not choose them.
Listen, you need to touch. You say you touch. Oh, you
I don't
choose. I'm gonna feel you touch me.
No, me touch. You don't feel me touch your big and run off. You remember good.
Stop.
Me there do it like a stocky police. So me touch you and run off. So when me reach one man, me think at the back of me. But when me look at me, I see me I say, alright, you know, understand the game. You know, so you don't call me a while ago. I want to drill the place me there. You understand? So if you need to call me, I want to promise you there I get in a moment. As me take up the ring, so if you buy, you call me.
One promise ring?
Yes, as a...
For me?
Yeah, for you. What size ring you wear? What size ring you wear? What size ring that fit your finger? Hmm? What size ring?
I don't know about 8.
At the same size, about 8.5. Come and say I don't want to squeeze your finger. Gold one too.
You know say I always know what me like.
Yes, man. Some I tell you you choose. Me never get them now ring it, you know.
I ended up planning to get me a ring.
Yes. Yes, man, I'm going so yes. So yes, I go.
You still didn't want you share me girl them
No
though.
man, but what you know?
Prove to them say I'm me you want.
Yeah, but when you see them, you can show them the ring when I buy it. When I come here, I go back to you.
But they not gonna believe me,
No,
so you
they
have
not
to give me in
believe.
front of them.
They don't want to believe, man. They don't want to get this one. They don't want to believe. So you say,
But make sure I'm not fool you at
no,
the
man,
time.
I'm a fool. I truth. I say you go for truth. Tell me that person I get that from this ring there. Anyways. Enough of that. A long time I don't come up by so. Like how I see a man like I have new bed and thing over here. So, with this something and thing. With something.
You know, we can't do it, you know, but you know, if your mother go come and help you. We can't do it, man. Mommy, I know where you think,
Wait.
Mommy, I know where you think for true. Mommy,
You're not going to. You. Come on.
Mommy, I know where you think.
You. I'm not right there. What you doing, Amil? Where you wind up back on my daughter? So you're gripper, man. Eh? Where you in here? So? What right there? So? What now do?
No.
Don't look back on her. Look in her filmy eye. And me at her.
Me not look back on her, miss. Me not look on her.
What am I doing here, so? Boy, what you doing here?
We know.
Where they
Mommy,
doing
I
here?
know where you think.
I'll fuck me door. I don't smell bad. Why don't do that doing now? Come. Up me door!
Mommy, we not do nothing.
Up, I'll fuck the door. I get some breeze. I don't want to no kill.
What you mean by it?
Boy, what are they doing here?
We never did that.
What are they doing here?
Hey, no!
What are they doing here? Eh? What are they doing here? And that me ask
Mommy,
you.
put on it.
And so move!
Man,
Big and full now. Where you kept this a dirty idiot man in my place?
I talk with that talk.
Talk say what? What you can talk so?
That talk, boy.
Bobby, I'm man, you know,
I want to talk about you. When we not turn up out the door and talk, where you come in and suffer? Yawa.
We are talking about schoolwork, you know, miss.
Church out to give me because you have quite a your problem.
Yeah, mommy, at school work with that. Listen.
What me say if you do?
Mommy, we are
Church out team.
Church out.
You're private, it has no problem. So when you come to come let off your things then for my daughter to come bring her and left her for me. Me didn't tell us some more on grand pitney. Oh boy, take you out. Church out to give me. Give me, put it in my hand. Put it. What me say?
What am I?
Mommy, at SBA we did that. Do SBA for choo.
That kind of thing boy, they like him and go to school. What kind of SBA? Give me this. Mama, slap in your head, you idiot. Eh? What kind of work list? Look here. Hey. You see you? You see if I never one thing, I just take this and chop. Hey. Girl, you see me go out this one, see that dirty foot boy there, me gate again one more time. I piss in one bucket and dash it on the ground and you find me yard. You hear what me say? When I talk to your boy, so you don't have no time to clean up your son. Not true. You make me go way and mobby and come back. No. Nothing no done in here, so you
Mommy,
plan.
I that me
You
that-
wait until when me gone, me no want hear nothing from you, shut up. So as me gone, you calling me. Alright, him call you. How you go? Eh? How you go?
Mommy, him call me and say we have SBA. Me tell you.
SBA. SBA. What that mean? Can no assignment you get at school. What that be? You go to school? Eh? What kind of SBA they chat about? Eh? What kind of SBA? S stand for 3 word and I eat no must when they do in here. Yes!
Mommy, you can't see me about my clothes. I kind of that me I do.
B and a back way you talk. Eh? Eh? A. You only in action. Boss ya, Santa girl me kill her with the killer girl. What kind of people yes? Look at go they go look at fasting.
Mommy, you don't really cut off it. What me that get for you if you cut off it? Mommy,
Where you just say?
you ask her what me that get for you if you cut off it sitting.
What me do? Wait till I come in there. Wait till I catch you. So girl you bright and out harder. Yeah. It's me cut off it. When you not get for use. So you really want it for use. Okay. The next time I catch him in my house, he not got with nothing at all, not even bars. You hear me tell you? Because of the same thing. Make Kayla catch belly. So you want the same thing to happen to you. Alright. Alright. Still in the push back the door. Alright man. What?
On the phone, somebody follow me, yes.
Your phone is already.
Hello. Riri. How go on? Hey, you know, are you me choosing, man? The night when me tell you all of them to close their eye, I go pick one now. No. The two of them don't want to close their eye, my point pan them and I say them if you pick one of them. So me run because I'm confused. But I know say you married still. So where say I go and still? Because anytime I see you call me in the morning, you don't want me to come pick you up and me go somewhere or what? Wait, repeat where say I go. You're pregnant. Oh God. Well, it's not a bad thing, you know. It's not a bad thing. It don't happen, so I have to just work with, you know. The earth kind of short of people still, so nothing wrong if you bring one and two come in night. You never tell me this earlier. Anything I say, you don't go on already, so we can't say nothing about it. You know? I don't film, I don't know me, I don't have film black or go on easy. Maybe later down in the idea, I some come for you and we go up on the road. And I can't go do ultra so now we see how far the belly reach. And thing. Oh man, I'm good man, I'm just, you know, I'm just there. Yeah. I'm going to process this still, you know. But, we come more as some come pick you up and we go up on the road. We go have a drink and, you know, test how far check how far this thing reach and so. Alright, go on do your thing, I'm there still. Yeah, I'm doing nothing no black. Alright.
Alright.
My daughter, you know, some just like
Mommy, what happened?
Me there, what one?
Not only there, Mommy, I know say. May I have something to tell you, though?
That not sound right. What one now?
You know, say from when me have vomit and some face or symptoms, I go take one test. I know I'm pregnant, but in a 2 line that show me $1, but I'm pregnant.
So you made that to you, girl?
I don't know.
Me always never protect yourself, so you end up that's this happened to you. So you know who do it?
Yeah.
Alright.
So mommy, what now?
Me there. Are you me just say me go call for talk to? I'm there today, so me there say if you come check me.
Oh.
So all life differently.
Alright, mommy. Why? Why when me breathe far? I be a cabin time have one baby mother.
What you say?
Yes, mommy.
No girl.
Every minute, me and the girl catch up. And
you
then
learn.
and I want next one too.
What you say?
Mommy.
You have to go show me that boy there, because I need to go pay him.
Yes. Be a problem. Come and see mommy lose the one little child I have, mommy.
But me tell somebody tell you, nobody get pregnant. Do you think but not get no pregnant? We do you think, boy?
I don't know.
Anyway, me have to accept because it done there already.
But he live out a non-problem where they can go pay gym.
Alright, that's not my daughter. I just want you just send me a pic of the boy.
Alright, mommy. So
Alright.
me I go back down.
Alright, take care later.
Alright, mommy.
Oi, come off my phone and stop acting like I say and see me.
Later, babe.
I want to talk to you about your later babes. Later babes. Later babes. Oi, hang up your phone. Look here, I not laugh with you. You see you know why you have to smile when you see me all the while? Because your conscience will kill you. I know say you come up on my yard and my daughter give you the clothes them. Which me did already tell you say if you get them and me I go give them. I burn me or burn them up. So if you thank God say, me never did it. When you come and my daughter give you it. Or upon road she see and give me don't know but me yes so you get them back.
Girls. Drama, so lady.
No, say thank God. You come here a drama queen, you never know. And me are the topic for drama queen. Me are the title. Get used to it.
What is it now?
Girl, let me tell you. Me just tell you what. I mean, I know you're side and I go down this like a crab. I mean, I take time and come down more. You go down like further. What? You afraid of me? It's me and them people. Now in my house I used to live. I want you.
Every time you see me, you want to create a scene and talk.
No, you see me and create a scene.
Can you lick my daughter?
Cause me lick your daughter. Can you prove that?
Alright, what is it now? Come here, go about my business.
What is it now? Let me see what is it now. You don't know what is it now?
No, what is it?
My mind did tell me, so if it tell you, say, me I go want back my man, but me no, but I want him. Me no want him from morning and me no want him now. I just something when I think about what is it now. Me
So
no
what's the
want
big
him,
deal?
take him. Me want you to leave my daughter alone and tell your daughter so if you leave my daughter alone. And if she take my daughter man, she need to stop and go look her size. As a matter of fact, a mistake me make go look her size. Me forgot her age. That the girl not ready to get man yet. She not ready to get man yet. She not need no man. She not ready to get man yet.
You done?
No! Stop make your daughter walk and look man before time and go study and see if she can come out to something good in her life. But if me done way. Eh? Done which part? If they tell her the truth, so true, me ain't no friend no more. Me not look no friend for you, you know, me just tell her say it's a dirty woman you need to grab up your daughter in her hand and make she stop walk around and fling her front all over her
Thank
face.
God you're not a dirty mama. Yeah?
Look
Thank
here,
God you's not a
none
dirty
of us are perfect, but we try to be a good mother to our children. Them are who you are animal, they name for breed. If I never remember so that one they wouldn't come in. Remember the rusting here, we are going to make a little dirty girl give away and her did go dance, go a sentence the other day. And me make that they pity the parent now she come and face to with me and they go on like I said she want to disrespect me. You have to tell her, say, and me make she there so. Different from God, you give her life. Because if I never me, you're the dash way too. With the other 18 of them, where you dash is a wicked girl. Drink too much poison and kill her for pick me up. I don't know how you're living still, you know, but look here. God save your life because God love you for your change. Right now, I see me to the follow back of your ear there. Go along, me ain't follow back of you. Go on here there. Mommy, wait for me when me can dash my way. Symmetry, walking symmetry. Girl, you can't chat to me. Me hate you so
You think me gonna bring my pick?
Me hate you.
So it's pity for earth and stuff and all,
Look
girl.
here, me hate.
When you don't want you throw it away, me I beg you. Just
Oh, you not care no pity come for earth today so far. Oh, that's why you take that one in the ton whore already. You're a wicked girl. Me got you chat for you call police for me. Girl, nobody make me have to tell somebody we love police and go call your name to police because they won't come for you and charge you for neglect. Go on where they go.
You have proof
See
of that?
Most some front you go sell you
you
now.
have proof of that?
All I mean, remember say me know you a long time.
I could think so.
I road me take you up off when you trick me and tell me how you live with friend over so. Eh? And how friend this and friend that and make me take you in. Because dirty girl, you think me not remember when you put on 500 times me know you. Me know about all I got them when you dash way. That's why I tell you say you should have loved me. All you me not look on girl like you if you come take me man. But guess what? Since you do what you know say, me don't hate your girl. Me don't hate you, me just hate your dirty attitude. Love take your friend them man. But guess what? Me glad see you take him, you know why? And me used to help him. And me used to do everything for him. Now me find a man who will take care of me. You do me a big favor and me appreciate it and me glad. But me still have you up for the foolishness what you do. You better you did go look at another man. You did tell me. Say when they look you, but guess what? When me see him and me ask him about him, tell me say you text him. And I you tell him how you like him. And how me the chat say him I do good things to me. Me ever tell us so girl? Me tell us so that a man they never buy me a straw yet too because love blind me I am a idiot. Make me go there with him. And come take him up and come mind him like me pick the big old dirty ass steering jackass man like that. The only thing he have is wood.
You wasn't my friend.
The only thing he have is wood. And the wood me did like. Dirty girl. Me no want that the man the hungry wood me did love. And in gone now but me get a better wood. Jamaica surrounded by wood, land and water. Me have as much wood. Me nobody want to wood again. Take it. I want him breed and give you triplet under your cloth.
Never.
And come back, come ask me and beg me about be your friend if me can take it and you will see what me do with your dirty thinking girl. Me say I want to pick out your toenail and your eyelash, see. I should have kicked you in your body the other day. I don't know where you come go like me and your friend. And me see you and call a little while, you know, because me have you up. But that no mean say you fi think say you and your daughter and me and size and tell your daughter say when she see me daughter she feel leave me daughter alone. Oh. It's like when me just burn a spliff and drink some JB and some hey, some boom. Me mash up your face, you know, girl. And go down a station go give up myself. Now ramp with me. Oh. I'm not joking. Bright. You could dirty it old girl. Toenail black and ugly no one. Girl fever which you see me say a real white rich of Rosa. The girl wicked. Go along! Go away! Cause me not like see you. All crosses. Parasite! Leave me alone, man, and go on where I go.
Hello, Bob. You know me? What kind of plans you have for my daughter? Come here say you're pretty there, you know, and plus me here say you have other baby mother run on the place. What kind of plans you have for my daughter?
We are come to them to have something for my.
What you mean by what kind of plans you have for my picnic when she have the baby? How it go?
Mama, if me take care of the baby I get take care. Why you worry about other girl who me have about that so?
So that means say, my man on the phone, man, you know, walk and fling on nothing all over the place. When the baby them come, when they say no phone no one. I just want to know say when that the baby they born, you go take care of. Come in and want that, so make sure bring a family court.
Mama, listen to me. Me, you, now your daughter now see my face now family court, isn't it? So every baby born, I have to take care of baby. Me take care of baby house, what do you know?
Make sure. I just come to find out what kind of plans you have. So make sure. Remember, say me the one, you know. I have to, you know, want to go to family court. Remember, me the one, you.
Hold on, man, yeah, no, because you're not coming.
Yeah, I mean, I ask if you can get one. Yeah. Alright, call me back then. So somebody get fire? Alright, line up with me then. Alright, cool. How you look so?
Mama, I'm tired of Kayla. Every time you pick up for Kayla. You just a pick up for Kayla. I want to make it even worse now. Kayla friend where they take my man Bob same way. If you ever know where girl say about you, hear?
What she say?
She say you're a workless woman.
I lie they tell her.
Me not tell no lie, mommy. She say you're a workless woman. You're not tan good and you're ugly, and that she tell me. She cuss me and tell me that.
What she say? Me a workless woman, me ugly and me not tan good.
Yes.
Okay, and what again? So you and her did a fight? You think me not? You think me not?
Mommy, I know me, you know. Every time when I try to come out of way out of Kayla, we are really. Especially really nowadays, you know. The girls see me on the road and I talk trouble.
Well, and the Kayla they describe me are Riri.
Riri.
Okay. Where she do?
Riri.
Where you and her out?
Me and her not have nothing, you know. As she and herself have something. Me and her not have nothing. Because the whole of them just bad mind me over Babu. No matter how
You tell me story good or you not tell me good? You say you and her fight. Where you and her fight? You not answer me, you know?
because of Bob, mommy.
So, hold on then, daughter. So, I saw me grow you to walk and fight girl fi man. If Bob don't want you, leave Bob alone, make him go on to Riri. And go on to Kayla. Although are your god sister, make Kayla stay with Bob.
Mommy,
Find another man. You notice say you're older than Kayla and you're older than Riri. Me don't know how Bob love them the little pissy tail girl there. Look how you're nice. Look how you're pretty. And Bob they give you bun with two little skettle dirty rubber tail foot girl when I'm beard and then piss bed now. You don't know say other day me go down in the town. Bob never see me. Bob sit down in a bar, drunk like a bat. They telling you that friend them how Kayla piss bed, Riri piss bed, and him no want you. How him just a use you, Kayla and Riri. Baba dirty boy. Me tell you for a long time if you live in drunk rock. But you're not listening.
Bob said about me, say no want me.
I make up.
You're doubles here. You're not here.
So me daughter, you believe say me your mother would have really looking in your two eyes and tell you such a lie?
Really? Never say no want me talk to Bobby now.
Me never, yes, alright, me go admit the fact. Me never want you to talk to him because from the first day me see him, me see life on him, me see thief on him, me see cheat upon him, me see humanize upon him and woman beater. So which mother would go want them the kind of man they talk to their daughter? Yes, actually me never want you to talk to him, but when me say you insist with him, me just love you. And me hear too say in the beat you secretly. And you round a corner and tell a little dirty friend where you and her used to go to school, but if Bob not beat me, me not love him. You want idiot? Eh? How the hell one man to beat you and you feel say them love you? Won't you get them the pian, finke, fling, flang story they from? Eh? You see me and your father used to fight? You know, eh? When you see me and your father fight, no time at all. Right now, me and your father left and you not even know the reason why me and him left. And let me tell you the reason why. No, I want to tell you for a long time, but I trade it small. But now you reach the age, me will tell you why me and your papa left. Your father is a womanizer. And me know that. Relationship never straight, but me just keep it calm because I want you to grow up good. Yeah, if you see your mother and your father running. That's why I not do this so long, so till you get so big. Yeah. But now you reach that age, me don't want them to crosses the round me. They will make people come analyze you or you go analyze people for them. And then me go in a prison now, so you go. Me no want you live them kind of dirty careless life there. Leave Bob alone. One heap of man out there so see and love you. Right now you don't want to chat to them a broke pocket man you love. You know if a man me see pass and call you in them big Lamborghini, and then limousine, S5, Crown, Primo, what? And Bob when not even have an auntie at around bicycle, look at no me style you out here. Bob no have an auntie at Bob no have a bicycle. And a Bob you want.
Same age, them the man in a Lamborghini, a big old tough grey back man.
Bob work this, Bob not even would have grown a hard year go buy one hook and one line. say me he go sit down for rock and catch two fish. If a Baba alone, you're dead for your grown me talk, don't talk. Shut up your mouth or your mommy when me mommy. Everything mommy.
Mommy, I really come myself to tell about it now you're thump and
You're dead
now.
because you're the grieve me leave Baba alone say if I never Bobby and Riri would doing anything. And that me the you know see where me I come from. What you mean me left off a Riri gone from Bobby? You see if you love Baba.
Let me tell you see me about the girl and me I go lick her in her face. That me.
You ready to start this now, not you?
Mommy, they deliver the message. I didn't go.
Baba dirty boy. Leave Baba alone. Make Baba go on.
Ah, mommy, yeah. Cause you just have cuss and attack and you not even listen to what me I say about Riri. Like you just hot for Bob so.
Look.
She named Riri. The little flighty girl named Riri.
You think me don't know you don't have to show me on the picture. Why you think say me they talk about her so much? Her name stink around how she wore. So when you they come crazy over Bob like any type of woman there, Bob no one decent woman like you.
Mommy and me Bob one.
Mommy and me Bob one.
Mommy,
Mommy,
I'm gonna tell you.
Bob
You need
Tony
to-
think. I mean like think foot man you can't come on me yard already. And I shoes me know say ain't there. When you hide him in a bathroom the day, you forgot? Eh?
Mommy, you
And when you see me run left in underpants, you forgot?
Mommy, just listen to what me I say now. One, the girl named Riri, if you leave me alone and take my mother name out her mouth. Because any day me book her, you know. Any day me book her, you know. World War III start, you know.
You and her not a fight over Bob. And Bob no want neither you, Riri, nor me goddaughter. You know one kill for you.
Everything good. Just one girl Riri.
Bob having woman a foreign me here with bigger road. Baba use it now. Bob woman have money. Bob woman they are foreign and send money come a Western Union and money back. You don't have no money. And Bob now go no now they run back a Bob.
Mommy, me
no
dey
idiot.
go later.
Me go look for her because she need to leave you alone.
That's
too.
what I do.
Me go do it. Don't worry yourself. I'm not even have to tell her say me go look for her. I go give her a bus out to see. Watch me and her. Watch me and her. I need to talk to you. How? What do you mean?
I say I just pay for this.
You don't know nobody. Oh, you feel there with my daughter man. Oh, you feel there with my daughter man.
You see me
and
with
when
the
you
daughter?
come in the room, I'm the pass. You act like I say, you and the man not there. How what happened?
Miss, you see if your daughter that keep her cup clean, the cock cool and straight.
I lie.
Yes.
So, hold on there. So you keep your cup clean.
Then I see stay.
You know this?
You blind?
I rank with me, little girl.
I'm not right with
You and me, oh, hello. Me know your mama. You and my daughter keep the same man. Me and you is not size. We're not keeping the same man. We ain't keeping
Miss,
the same man.
me
So
can't
we are
keep the same man.
So we are talk to you like I'm going like I say, and me and you keep the
Yeah,
same man. And you
I
and my daughter, you know. Me I talk to you because you're going like I say, you're bull.
No, you have to adjust me better,
You're
miss.
bull buck and up.
Yes.
Hanger. Oh, Me if you address you better.
Yes.
Eh.
Respect go, respect come from.
I lie.
Actually.
So if you did respect me, you wouldn't show me respect.
No, you first have to show
Every
me
time you see me, I notice you ring up your face and this and that. What you feel like?
Kaya,
You know what you say to me? I know your mother, you know. I know your mother. Turn around. You have to have manners. You don't have no manners.
that a man
Look, girl. Look here, my daughter bigger and older than you know. She
What's your
bigger
daughter business?
and she, listen what I say. I say my daughter bigger and she older than you. She bigger than you. You know what I mean? So if you dey take my daughter man and they can rank yourself like you are her size, and plus you the worse they act like me her size, you deserve a bus ass.
So who go bust me house?
What you mean? What you mean? Let me find the switch and you will see what you mean. Wait there.
What you have for?
What you mean? Little girl. Little girl. You see, when you go home, tell your dirty mama say.
My dirty mama?
She fit take up your in her hand and teach you the right way how to live and survive and have respect to people who are older than you.
You see, say you don't respect my mama dirty. Oh, you know say my mama dirty.
Your mama dirty. I know her a long time.
So you know say you're mother friend.
Oh.
You know say you're not good, you're not a good friend.
You know why you stay so? When you say me ain't a good friend?
No, you're not a good
Your
friend.
name,
You
know
chat
the,
to mama.
No, that's why. You know what? You listen too much and you don't see for yourself. You listen from people. Me not take your say. Yes, of course, me and mother did friend. Yeah. We no friend again. You understand? So you go home to your piece of cockroach foot mama. You see? We look like a cobweb swarm up the wall in front. You see?
Yeah.
That's why the man where she take gone left her to another girl.
But that's why your man not stay with you.
No! I not stay and stay with me. Your mama walk around and tie people, man. And take them away.
Why don't you tie your man?
No.
Put him on a leash.
No leech thing around here. Me not in the time thing. You and your mama go and go join. That's how no come from in our generation when you talk about time and. And you may argue with. You think me and your size little girl. You feel say, tell us mother. If you call me name to your mother little girl, you think a little money me used to give you for school?
Where give me money for? And they beat me. They could never give me money.
Then that's why me have right to lick you because me tell you.
No, you have no right.
The amount of time you're dead for hungry.
And you want to never say so.
Don't call the man name in this. Don't call the man name in this because you don't exist in a theme, minor thoughts, known tall.
You exist in a theme time.
If you call Andrew Oldness name again and shame and have, you're a dirty girl like your mama. Go on forward. You think me a ramp with you? Come here. Who are the ramp with? Go! You idiot. Damn fool. Yeah, your mama coming like some big old Jammiwood. I told me no money for me. Come would buy a bacon and zap it to one, no damn cockroach and mosquito and wingworm in one. All fly. Then continue there with me that man and show me video.
Yeah, we say we didn't know. I'm the writers of the red ground, so walk come up to me, alright? Can't stand that woman there.
Listen, mommy. Listen. You know what just happened a while ago. You have one friend named Candy. You know her?
My ex-friend, I must take her man, so she always have a problem with
yes,
me.
Yes, mommy. She don't know say fear daughter. You see Bob? And Bob and fear daughter there. So you man see me up the road a while ago and beat me up.
You say?
You man beat square, you cry me.
Me and her,
and they talk about all that cobweb on your front and want to sweep or something and juke out the head, so.
No worry yourself. Me and her, you see, remember the young boy me I tell you say she did have.
Yes.
So through the boy decide say no want and more me more, so from that check her feelings.
He said I tie the boy, mommy. Me say trade even know me and come and beat me up.
Don't worry yourself, my daughter. Don't worry yourself. I tell you, say, me and her. Don't worry yourself. Me go deal with her.
Alright, mommy. And I'm going to sit down and tell her, so me are going home.
Alright, go on home and stay far from them when you see them here, because them a cross, them a demon.
Alright, mommy.
Alright, my baby, take care. You have a problem, miss? My child do something, you come to me about it. I don't want you to put your hand on pitney like say you're a pitney. Because I never see your pitney and put my hand on her. She don't have nothing about her. You go like you don't hear me. You give me a talk now? You don't give me a talk to you? You know what? For a peaceful life, you see to me now, me you have nothing. Me, I gotta make sure, say, I got the station.
Bitch, I'm your style. You forgot where me take you up from? I'm your style your daughter and have no manners. And if you want to make me and you have something to called pitney, that are your business. I saw you come and address me. So me if you turn up and hold a proper conversation with you, for what? Eh? No, if your daughter come home and make a complaint to you, say me beat her. Yes, of course me beat her. But you don't come to me come address me so. You're too out of that. You're adult and me adult. Come ask, what is the problem? Why you put your hand on me picnic? You come and go on like I say you want to come drape me up. How?
Me never say- me never
You
say
when
argue
me
with you,
take
but me
care
I
of so
call
much
you.
and you did live on me yard. You feel say me go stand up and make you come style me as you feel like. Listen to your girl. Remember say I used to take care of you. And I me take care of your daughter too. I tell you, should I tell her say she have manners to me, although me and you not talk. And you should I tell her say me should have bust her ass some more because she shouldn't do it.
Do what? What,
Like,
what did
seriously?
she do?
That you should have asked her. Me you come and ask, girl not ask me nothing. Go away.
It's alright, come me. I go down at the police station and make sure some report you.
I won't go to
Come, me
the
not fight with you now.
I won't go.
Me not-
No,
me not
me
war,
not
not
in a
fight
no
with
fighting
you
with
now.
you. Oh, you address me. You shouldn't do that. Not because me not talk. What you feel like? You don't feel safe if you did see me and say, alright, Candy. You know, say me not talk. Hi, good day. And as bad as thing be, I may have you up to take me man. Although a few man, although me say man must gone if you know me no care. Cause
Can't
me the
wait.
warrior, fi man, me the warrior fi how you treat me. And know say me and your friend and then you do that. And you know say that. Cause me no cuss girl fi man. The point is, if you did see me and say, Candy, morning or afternoon or whatever way you want.
Hello.
No,
Like you don't
me not
hear.
there for lie
I
to tell.
Me know it's you know from me I call
Me
you.
not see Nile, I lie to tell. I was on my phone and you're the pan and you take me data and look at you know right and you look here man. If you did see me and say hi or whatever, and then you start explain yourself the problem will happen between me and your daughter and sitting. This wouldn't happen between me and you now. Come now look now from you. Because you can't manage me, girl. Me just tell you, say, you forgot what people do for you and grateful. And I saw you grow your dirty little daughter. Your daughter take too much man. Your daughter a man taker. Your daughter take people, man.
That she come from the earth for the tech man. She's a woman.
Look there. You see why me and you couldn't agree? You see why me and you couldn't agree?
Your
You're an
daughter age,
adult. And your daughter, no. You're adult. And your daughter, a little pitney. And you make your daughter feel say she a big woman. You can chat about she come for take man. Take man at what age? What age?
Any age you feel like a tech man, she take man.
You know, a long time I know say you're mad. And you see you? I realize that police now do their job. Cause mother like uno police will lock uno up. And you tell me say at a tender age like that, she fit take any man she want. Anytime she want take it, she come fi take man. You neglect your own and pick me. You're not busy with it. You want your daughter go take man and get money from man come give you. That's what you're going to. Remember say your daughter tell me say, the blouse you have on and the pants say, I teach she teeth you for line. And a man she go there with and get money for buy a piece of old here where you take wheel up around your head. And that's why you say no, you work this mama, I go you call police for me. And me want to call police for you. You're quick. Gun me and shit!
Not trying to stop from me, but say for your daughter. I see a man with my daughter that she there with you now.
Look here.
So you know better come talk about my picnic, go talk about your picnic when
My
I'm a baby.
daughter-
When walk a fight over man.
My
That's
daughter
what you
reach
gonna
the
talk
age
about.
where she can deal with man. Your daughter underage. Me don't want to hear nothing from you. You're too worthless and tan bad. So at them your story you sit down and then make your daughter hear you they talk about she can take man if she want. That's why she a do it. And that's why she do it. Yeah, if you know me know you care go a doctor. You is not a good mother. All mother like uno name fi uno work list.
And
Girl.
one thing me I tell you.
You know something me she even talk
Don't
to
put your hand on my
you. You come like a son dog. Me lick her already. What you go do about it?
Do not put your hand on me.
Alright.
I warn you.
Make she come confront me
Do
again and
not
go on like
put
she
your
a
hand
big
on my
woman and so me
child.
shut
I see
her up.
next time you come back, me not go talk.
Really? What you gonna do? What can you do? No, Jezebel, Lucifer spirit, what you gonna do?
I want to kill you.
Criminal, no, me don't read that long time, me don't want the exotic foot man there. No, me don't want him, take him girl. Me don't want him, me let cuss you cause you walk list, cause you send out your daughter to go look man drunk run and just up a come from road and come go like you're smart there. You don't know nobody. You're dirty girl. Remember say roadside me did take you up offer. I saw you see same thing where you do. I saw your grass so you grow you pick me and nasty now what. I saw you used to walk and take man you make your daughter walk take man before time.
That we come here for do.
Go on about your business boy that you come here for you walking so big and think now what. Look on you too. Police take away your daughter from your little walk this careless girl every time you breathe a dash them with drunk row. I remember say me make your kid that one day. So you did drink rusty nail for dash with your dirty bitch. Go me am shit dirty girl. Me not like you. Yeah man, come out I road, come over here so a long time I don't see you.
You don't know, say, what day? Your daughter, right? Charter me, you know. So, say, no, one night on the road, but more you hear me though, right?
Yeah, man.
She charter me. Say she want me carry her go one place, right? Carry her go the place. After me carry her go the place, girl say want go piss. We. You understand? So now, you didn't know I wait for her out of the car, so 1 hour pass, I know your daughter no return me. You see when me run go over the place, come I want there for shit in there shit. Or something, right? So me I go ask
Oi,
you.
let me tell you something. No bother with it. And my daughter your address? My daughter no shit a road.
No, because I say it takes so long. He said, cause we can go buy wraps, you go buy caps, you go buy phone accessories. Can say somebody send money for him from foreign. Right?
When you come on to my youth, then you better know your
I say somebody send money for you from foreign. Some to Japan, Western Union too. So I say Western Union, I say I get money. He said you give me number. So I say alright then, for the candy, because I know the candy paying bills them all the while. So he run off. So he run off now and now I don't see him get my money yet. Anybody call me for a charter, me I take a charter because the carrier no run by water and they take money. So anybody say they have money, it's a you. Anybody know about to call me to the work.
Yeah, because I know say you want good driver, so I just tell her.
So she hide me and no me not see her.
How much money she pay?
Said she gonna give me 125,000.
See what? How we here?
All up, you come back, all over the place. In top and in by rap across the road and in taking time to listen in. Remember say and then he said we can go round. So one night I say I go for Bob, come on that every time video, one whole day we put job up and down. When I last half he said what put money, Western Union to pay me. Then he hide out. He grew on the house and another party go, we go on a community center. He hide on the community center back. And now I see her back. And I say, I now run down girl because if you see me go here, it's a tempting to here.
Alright. Sorry about that. A long time I know you as a good driver. Here.
Yeah man, because I make them know. So I have to do that too.
You see you, I'm here.
Yeah man.
If you video half 5 money and then give.
No, but I say, I feel your picnic. Because when he call me and he say, Candy, I say, no worry yourself. I'm going to pick you up and drop you, but tell her not to do it with people.
Who that? What are you doing, man? Girl, what you do ya?
Look at your man of size, nobody with the book, girl. Where your mother there?
No ask for my mother.
You know, say she walk come tell me say my pit na man, say you worse than a man. Come here, say ask where your mother there. Go, hey, look girl, don't me have to have none. He's a child. Where your mama there? That me just ask
My
you.
mama look like cow to you. Eh? My mama
Take your time, talk to me. Take your Make no size. Make no size. Make no size. Yeah, picking up because you're big. Yeah.
Other people won't be so understanding because I know you. You understand, but tell her not to do it.
But one thing I don't like though, I say my daughter she can go.
No, I don't say she's not pushing up. She say she want to go wee. I say wait till go your yard. No, want me pissing in your car? I say no.
That's what she want
And
to
so
be.
she said to me, so I said, listen, we hold up faster coming on. Guy look like he's saying this level 2. So I said, go and go do yard then. But there you so. 1 hour pass and I'm going to see her. If she not get no money, we're still not. She just come out and tell me, say no, say money not go through. And what we gonna do? We can't
Give
no
back the money. I'll give back.
Yeah, man, but talk to her. Tell her something like that.
No talk to her, man.
Because time can come up and she really need the help and she call me and now go and come because she has
And maybe somebody here she go take when me no know.
Alright, so anyway, me just want you to know that.
Yeah.
Alright. The time me never call me. Never chat.
Yes, sir.
You go for the charter, you know.
Oh.
Man, just jump off one customer. As me jump her off, I said, shut me up, you know. A gunman stick me up so. Like a soldier them there. So money me have them take off of me. And the girl are going like, you know, so I'm not saying no.
Sorry, man.
I go check one science man for that girl there.
Right up on the road there.
Auntie said I know, so you will look for
Why?
somebody over your yard and you say that.
Yeah?
Somebody over your yard and you say that.
Hello, you there.
Just wait it me. Yeah, pick me. You fit have manners. The mother want my pin if you have manners for right you now.
Leah,
You fit have manners.
stay right there, so me
You fit have manners. You fit have manners. Your mama not train you good.
Boy, you see me still a fight my daughter.
I want to go to your house about shabby woman.
Oh, what do you mean she going to be good man?
She's a child. I come to you. I mean, you say I put your hand for my picnic. And your daughter come and attack like shabby woman.
As she first attack me and I call you mama and one bag of sit like your cow.
Where you doing in my house?
I come to you.
Where you come to me
Picnic
about?
and manners.
Where you come to me about? Where you want?
Where you beat me penny for?
Where you want?
Eh? Yes, see me after. Oh, you're picnic and manners. Eh? Let her come.
That's what you mean.
Nigga. So you come to gang me. Sabi, you come gang me, you come to gang me. Can you reach to understand me? Eh? Eh? Be your friend. I'm gonna come to you that and face it to me. And you come stop me. You can't reach to understand me. Eh?
Who authorized? Beat her up!
Hey, you kill me. Murder. Why? It's alright, Candy. Why?
Mommy, I make sure I'm going to back door.
She gone. Me no see her. She gone. She
But
gone.
mommy, seriously, no?
She
You
gone.
stabby girl.
What? She come back on me yard.
Suppose she make police come for you now, mommy.
Where you talk? Eh? Where the taxi? You see me stop girl. I
No,
see a police
no,
come
me
and
no-
say your mother
me no
stop
see
girl.
you, me no
Shut up. Shut up your mouth. You see me stop girl.
Yeah, she never there.
So if police come, where you go say? Where you go say? Talk for now.
Eh?
If police come here, if she go report it, where you go tell the police them say?
She never there.
Tell the police them say me never there lie. She they tell she come with the cut on her hand. And two she
Weapon,
couldn't manage
take up
you.
your weapon.
You don't care that she oversee it. Tell the police them if she go report him, I don't know if she report it. If but in case no police come, tell them say, as she come here they beat you. And you try to defend yourself, and your fingernail catch her. Or she come here with cut and when you're in a fight, it hot up. She too like your mother never there. You
You're
put her
never
up.
there, mommy. You're never there.
Just tell them say never there here. Later. See me catch a little dirty foot girl left on the road. She think you done it. Watch me and
Jesus, well.
Man, I want to take a look on that tree there. You remember it? Yeah, man. That tree there from Big Boy series. You know what I mean? So, we know the writing process now for the Big Boy Little Brother. You know what I mean? That I want different leg of the series. They have Big Boy gone already, but Big Boy turn big man now. But you have a Little Brother can the next son. We never seen yet. You mean they want different place. You understand? So he might come down. So you know so the whole place burn down. And you can see the plum tree a blossom again. So you know say it go rough with fire rats and in plum tree and bag of things go on. Whole heap of new kids in the community, whole heap of fun Wolipa bring back the old time sin thing. You know what I mean? All these Pinny did a sonat and all of them thing there. Pinny love chat like then yam full body. Wolipa them thing there. Wolipa something go on. Wolipa sight in the middle, upscotch, ringa rosy, 3 little leaf, and all of them look at something they go there in there. So, when you look out for that series there, big boy, liquor brother. Look out for it. You know what I mean? You're going to have big boy come back in the same way, come pass through. You're going to have Chucky. You're going to have most of the network them come back in, come pass through same way. You're going to have original Candy back in the same way, me back in it. Well, the person go on, man. Look out for it. You are right it now. So, as it's up and ready, we're going to go get it. But anyway, give thanks to watch baby pregnant, 15 and pregnant. You know what I mean? Give thanks to the support. I will continue to do it same way. We have Wolipa thing in another story if we come out, because a Wolipa different equipment. I try to tie up everything, then we can paint the big picture where you can see what going on. You know what I mean? So we don't go in depth yet. We just scratch the surface, but we're gonna go into it. You know what I mean? Because after a while we go showcase. We have to the fun part and the fight part, but we have to showcase the real part of it as we go along. You know, because you know the struggle of a baby mother, the pain of them feel and all of them side effects of being pregnant. We're going to try and bring in a little of that there more in depth in the story. Just stay tuned and give it the support. We're going to do what we can do, you know what I mean? Because we fight a war. This is Jamaica, you know what I mean? So we're trying to make stars. We're trying to do the impossible, no budget, you know what I mean? But we've been doing it, you know what I mean, and fighting a war. So, and I like say we are getting no help from nowhere. We're just doing it out of nothing. You know what I mean? So like, what more can we do? You know what I mean? When there's no assistant. We have to stand up and we have to fight for ourselves, you know what I mean? And we have to learn to put value upon ourselves, you know what I mean? Because we probably there now, we're brought here to do slave, right? And it's not everybody wants to do that, right? So, I have one or few conversations with people and me hear them say, the youths them don't want to get their hand dirty. I don't buy into that sentiment, none at all. You know what I mean? I buy into if you showcase, so the youth them go live good, right? If they go get their hand dirty and they not go live good, they not go want to do it, right? Look for instance, take marijuana. A lot of people want to plant marijuana because marijuana that is a lucrative business. But it comes with a lot of fight and a lot of beat up and a lot of murderation. You know what I mean? Until it gone to the rich man now where everything is glooming for ganja now. Ganja is not a look a dirty boy thing again. So you see all the things situated is just one-sided from my band until now I see no changes. You know what I mean? For your poor, it's like they say the future for the girl them have to turn. You know, talk that and the youth them to turn shatters and this and that and killers. Not like that. The youth them in Jamaica, they are so smart, but they just don't see the opportunity to do nothing. So me now I fight with my life and now I try to figure it out to ensure so we get movie business on a real platform where when you're in the movie you can actually make millions. You can make a living, you can help your family and this and that, but you go take what you take and you go do what you do. And we are growing. You know what I mean? Don't watch what we do on YouTube, because YouTube is a more higher demand to do the movies faster. So movie we're doing our 1 day, 2 day, 3 day movie, we have to do it fast. But if we should do a real project, you know, it's like going to take a month or 2 or 3 or 4. You know what I mean? If you do a real project, we're part of a budget, we're part of lights, have every little thing, have every little sound quality, everything check. So don't think that we don't know what we're doing. We're just doing what we can do now because we do not have a budget. It is from nothing. So you cannot say you want to do something when you not have money for back you. You have to just bill and go and do what you can do in the meantime. Like we would have said, because we're there on the poor ground. Use your hand on fashion. You know what I mean? With compassion. You understand? So we are doing what we can to develop this movie thing here in Jamaica. We're not getting any assistant. You know what I mean? When we just start, we'll get more donation. I haven't seen a donation for months. You know what I mean? But it might staff them even vex at times because enough money not there for flow around. But what I go do, I have the sense on hold it. You understand? It's just like reggae music when it just a start. You know what I mean? It wasn't enough money in it flourishing around. But I can promise you, if I take it to where I want it to go in my mind, everybody will be okay. You know what I mean? Because that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to bring it to where it's supposed to be. So it's going to be a rough fight. You know what I mean? We used to run not a joke. First time I started doing movie and Richie I say certain things that are Richard Brown films. Because I start out here and my reason I say, yo, funny enough, you know, no matter what go on, you know, we shall be here until some white people come with a white man, white woman. We're in the same fields, I know, because them can go in the big office them and get it to where we're supposed to be. Doesn't matter if they make money out of it, as long as we get to help ourselves out of it from slavery. You know what I mean? I'm saying to him from that time to this time. So if you hear a lot of noise, me not get feel too confident in nothing, because we used to having nothing and we still stay so. You know what I mean? So we want to reach a party much reach, but it take what it take and it go do what it do. So if we have to put in the work until somebody out the world recognize it and take it and put it in party supposed to do, that's what we have to do for now. We can't do better. So wish we could be doing bigger movie, but we cannot do it for now. So but we're doing the best we can, you know what I mean? And we're ensuring that we get good story and we put real work in it, real sacrifice, real art, real story, real life, you know what I mean? We only have one life and a 3 life. So anyway, we're there going to hold it off. So look out for that series there with Big Boy, Little Brother, and then you can look up some more work because my brain keep on writing. Even when I sleep, my brain I write movie, because movie they write around us. Even the situations in Jamaica write movies. You know what I mean? Yeah man. Big up to one of my videographer. Him getting a little problem yesterday. Yeah. But Jago carry him through. Just sparing life. You know what I mean? Give thanks to that, because in Jamaica here, it's not a pretty place. You know what I mean? So you have to just try to survive it. You know what I mean? Yeah man. So we can't go more than so. But we have to try stay safe, because we're heading to a future of success. You know what I mean? So the rougher the fight get is the more we go fight and the more we go put up resistance and strive. You know what I mean? So I'm going to say we talk too long, you know. But I'm rather have it talking to say, yeah, I did say it. You know what I mean? Talk become boring after a while because we used to be a talking. So me in myself, I'm not talking alone. I go put the work behind it. And I've done that already. So I don't really have to talk much about it, because the amount of movie I do already, I don't look at a movie without nothing at all. So you know it's a real war that. Alright? So anyway, you see the youth them nice sweet, a real star that. Anyway, let's go now. We talk again next time. But look on to part 5. You want to catch them to them last part, yeah? If you don't want to listen to it, you don't have to really listen to it still. Because it's just like venting, you know? So who want to hear the venting and the plans of where we're going next and what's going on and the happenings? Yeah, and we have nothing to give thanks, sir. You know what I'm going? Yeah. So we are going to pray, just a soon answer. So we reach 100K. You know, one time we dip on here and say, wow, reach 100K, wow, reach 100K. Now we catch 100K. One idea we go get a plaque to say, yeah, for sure it's certified that we get 100, right? So big up to all of we, because we know they make it possible, you know what I mean? Give thanks all the time, man. Because we know some of the time we don't do everything like how we're supposed to do it, but what can we do? We were born rough, we never born at the start, you know what I mean? But we are doing it from our heart. Anyway, you know, so if you follow me talk, I'll tell you tomorrow morning. So anyway, we go talk. Burn it up.